Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and nutritious vegetable dish which is called Palak Paneer, which is pureed spinach leaves in cottage cheese. So let's get started how to make this wonderful dish. I'm sure you will enjoy this at home. During winters, now the spinach leaves come vibrant green and fresh, and it's the best time to make this. So let's get started how we make this wonderful dish my way. Okay, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start by heating up some water in my pot in order to blanch my spinach leaves. My water is now nice and hot. I'm going to now open up the lid and put my spinach. I'll be using 500 grams spinach. Okay, spinach leaves. Okay, I'll allow the spinach to blanch in the hot water for about 2 minutes. As you can see now, the leaves have almost wilted. So this is around 500 grams of spinach leaves. Okay. Just for 2 minutes, I'll allow this to wilt, and then I'm going to take it off and put it in cold water, ice cold water, which I've kept ready. So to retain that nice bright green color, you must blanch your spinach leaves. Alright. Now I'll just allow this to be in this hot water for almost about a minute or so. Okay, and then I'm going to take it off. The spinach had been blanching in hot water for 2 minutes. I'm going to now take this off and put it in my ice cold water to stop the cooking process, and so that my bright green color is also retained. Okay, see? Alright, so here you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these leaves, drain off all the water, and then puree them in my mixing jar. Okay, I'm going to finally puree these spinach leaves and get back to you. So here you go. I've pureed my spinach leaf into a nice fine pulp. Okay, have a look at it. Okay, now let's begin. I'm going to start by adding ghee, which is clarified butter. You could use oil if you want, or you could use butter if you want. That's your choice. I prefer clarified butter or ghee taste. That's why I've added about 3 tablespoons of ghee. I'll allow the ghee to melt and then add my other ingredients. Once the ghee heats up, what I'm going to do is add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay. This is 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Now once the cumin seed slightly browns and you can smell the fragrance of the cumin. I'm going to add crushed garlic. I've used about 8 to 9 cloves of garlic which I've crushed. Okay, and I'm going to allow this to cook until the garlic slightly browns. Lovely smell. I don't want to burn the garlic. I'm just going to lightly brown it. Okay. See, as you can see now, it's almost brown. Next, what I'm going to do is add 1 large red onion, which I've chopped. Now, I'm not going to brown the onions. I'm just going to allow it to cook for a while until it turns translucent. As you can see now, the onions have turned translucent and pink. That's when I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes. And to my tomatoes, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which is a blend of whole spices. Okay, that's 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Again, I'm going to mix this with my tomatoes and let it cook for a while until the tomatoes have all softened and it forms into one paste along with the onions and garlic. Okay, so I'll get back to you once the tomatoes have cooked and become into a paste. You can see now the tomatoes have all cooked and they've almost become into a paste. Now to this I'm going to add a few green chilies or red chilies, whichever you want, fresh chilies. Depending how spicy you want, you could add that many chilies. And again, continue cooking this paste. Look how wonderful it looks now. So my spice paste is now ready to use. Okay. Look how it looks now. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is this. To this now I'm going to add my spinach leaves which I have pureed. Look how vibrant it looks. Okay. Turn your gas flame into medium so that it does not fly all over or splatters all over. Okay. Let me use every bit. Okay. Now let this cook for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. And in the meantime, what I've done is I've chopped up my paneer, which is cottage cheese. Okay. Now, if you want, you can always, fry them a little bit, turn them into a little brown, and then use it. But I like it soft and it's very creamy, so I'm going to directly use it, chopped it. I'm directly going to use it with my spinach puree versus frying these. And when you fry them, they turn out to become a little bit harder, but I like it softer. Okay, that's your choice. Either you could fry them or you could use it just straight away. Now once it comes up to a boil, okay, I'm going to add my salt to season my spinach. You're going to use salt as per your taste. I'm using about half a teaspoon of pink salt. Okay. Let me quickly taste and see whether perfect. The salt is as per my liking. Next I'm going to add my my cottage cheese and mix it really well. I'm going to now allow this to cook for about a minute or so and then turn off my gas. Okay. Okay, let me see. It's yum, delicious. And finally, I'm just going to add a little bit of cream to it. Okay, and mix it. Alright, so here you go, my Palak Paneer or my pureed spinach with cottage cheese is ready. I'm now going to serve it. There you go, my Palak Paneer is ready. I've gone ahead and served this. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share the recipe with your friends and family. Most importantly, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this at home. Have a nice day. Goodbye.